You want to know another one of these troublesome Dutch nursery rhymes that reveals so much about the inherent values of the culture? When one suffers from the hiccups, we have a custom nursery rhyme spell that we recite. It goes like this. Hikke sprikke sprauw, ik geef de hik aan jou. Ik geef de hik aan ander man, die de hik verdragen kan. The first part, hikke sprikke sprauw, is just jabberwock, a kind of onomatopoetic hip-hop, hick-up rhyme. But the second part makes sense. It rhymes with the first part, and it states, I give the hiccups to you. I give the hiccups to someone else who can endure the hiccups. This is another one of these unexamined nursery rhymes where the trouble is just passed on to someone else until somebody can endure it.